Hello and welcome to this quite interesting episode and exploration. It all started up with connect, relate and flow as a kind of recipe to find our GoldPrint, to connect in a way to who we truly are. And as more as we're getting into it, as more comes. So let me first introduce to you what comes now. So from this connect, relate and flow, we found a scarf. And yes, it's about the letters. And of course, a scarf is also a very beautiful symbol. It can be colorful and woven, it can be less colorful. It can have symbols and signs. And so let me call it the magic scarf. And the other words that are coming now, I put them in order so we get our scarf, is shine. Connect, of course, is the C. The A is the awaken. I feel it's very essential that we're actually awakening to that process, that we're expanding our consciousness, that we're entering these new dimensions and octaves of consciousness. The R is, of course, the relate still, and the F is the flow. So for all of us, each one, you will find your unique magic in that scarf. So I'm inviting you to figure that out. So this is the first part. The second part is about what happens to us when the going gets tough, when things don't go our way, when obstacles appear, when we maybe feel even lost. And a magic scarf that is unique to you, that recipe, I feel can really assist you, can guide you. And in that, of course, there is two different aspects. One is, how do we truly relate? How do we connect to what is outside and to what is inside? And this is possibly the big difference. When the going gets tough, we often pray. We often ask for external help and an external fix, whether this is in a physical or whether we're going in the spirit realms. This is when we are normally remembering who can help us. But of course, we need to remember this is when we are looking for external fixes. And this could be that we suppress and ignore what comes to us. This is a default functioning, and often we are not really conscious about it. So I bring it into your awareness today, as we are all awakening, as we're all learning to shine, and as we're all finding this magic scarf to really flow. Sometimes we escape, but also, of course, we can go into stress mode. The fear can set in, and the flight, to run or to fight, both. Finally, it could also be that we start trying to control what we think we can, or we're submitting our control to somebody else that we feel knows what to do. And yet, we are maybe just stepping into drama roles that hide the situation. We are hiding. And really, we're staying in the suffering. But of course, at this moment of awakening, of the great shift, ascension, whatever resonates with you, it's not about the word. We also have an opportunity to accept. We have an opportunity to make peace, to face it, maybe to break it, and to transcend whatever holds us as we're coming into this amazing presence of I am, that doesn't need drama roles, that does not suffer, that does not hide, and that doesn't feel ashamed. Life is just like that. So the scarf that it became, the magic scarf that is unique to you, is really a beautiful treasure. So you have your own recipe, how to shine, how to connect, how to awaken, how to relate, and how to flow. So how does that work for you? What do you feel about the scarf? Let me know in the comments. This is an exploration. I'm just opening up that space as it comes through. And how do you feel it can help you when the going gets tough? Are you ready to step out and up and maybe break the old? Or are you still hiding? Are you still in suffering and the roles that maybe have held you for many lifetimes, not only one? I'm really keen to hear about that. And remember, we are here for the community. I'm making these videos because Ceci and I care about how we can shift collectively, how we can support each other, how we can share. And of course, if you need something specific and unique to you, we are also here to journey with you on your own or in a group. So thank you so much for being here today as we are stepping into the magic scarf that is a recipe unique to you.